Okay, I'm ready to fight. Now I want to fight around. I'm ready. I'm hiding with. Where I can fight it out. We already died now. Oh no. Okay. Let me be careful next time. Oh, the bag. Oh damn. We need to hide from each other. There's no one friend with us. Oh, it's so much active. Lord is strong. What have you done? Okay, I'm ready to fight. Let me move on. Okay, I'm waiting. So much active. Oh, I haven't seen that man. I want to go higher than them off. Why I want to fly? Okay. Wow, what nice shot. Why am I difficult? I cannot hide from anyone. Everyone. I'm back. It's a more difficult game in the history. Okay. Wow. He's fighting like a bro. Okay, that. Wow, he has more double securing than me. I need to move and find it. I cannot beat them because they have a shield on them. I think I don't have enough good gun. I need to change the game by having good one. Let me hide when I want to fight something like I think they will come from the back. Yeah. Uh, was safe, but I wasn't take care. Okay, let me find it out. Let's move on. Okay. Oh no, where are you? Yeah, I want to make a strategy. I want to throw from a slide. Okay. I don't know why I cannot kill them. I want to be the expert in the game. Wow, you were so much active. Whoa. Rihana, fine. I will not leave you. Yeah, let's go. Alright, up from the back. Wow, what? I was hiding from it, but suddenly come from the back and killed me. They are so expert. I don't know how. They're killing for the 10th time, I think. Wow. Korra. I will never leave you again. Okay, let me hide on the pillar first. Let me find out. Oh no. Oh. Okay, I am the third place.